I've discovered 15 apps that can help you earn some extra cash while using your smartphone. By using a combination of these apps, you can easily cover your daily expenses and potentially more. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Imagine getting paid for just going about your daily activities like walking, biking, or riding a bus. That's exactly what Miles app is all about. Just download and register, turn on location services, and set it to always on. The app will automatically track your miles, which you can then redeem for gift cards and other rewards. Your earnings depend on how much you move around. I'd rate this app a 1 out of 10 for its money-making potential. Now, let's talk about Peer-to-Profit, a unique app that pays you for simply having it installed on your phone or computer. It may sound a bit suspicious, but what it does is sell your unused internet power to advertisers and companies for market research purposes. The more devices you have the app on, the more you can earn. On average, you can expect to make around $8.50 per device each month. It's essentially free money for minimal effort. You can get started by following the link in the description below, and I'd rate it a 2 out of 10 in terms of its potential to make money. Observa is an app that lets you earn money via PayPal by taking photos and answering questions with your phone. You'll be auditing brand marketing at stores like Walmart and following instructions within the app. You can also become a secret shopper and earn by dining or shopping at specific places. The jobs are quick, with most taking 20 minutes or less, and you can earn between $4 and $20 per job, depending on your location. I'd give Observa a 2 out of 10 for its money-making potential. The Social Good app, our next contender, is a global project based on blockchain technology. It allows you to earn up to 100 crypto cashback by shopping at popular online stores. For instance, if you shop at Best Buy, you can earn SG rewards, which you can exchange for crypto or other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and USD Tether. The app has given out over $50 million in cashback rewards and offers a 100 sign-up bonus for new users through the link in the video description. It's a great way to earn while you shop, and I'd rate it a 3 out of 10 for its money-making potential. Now let's talk about 1Q, an app that sends you short questions to answer for cash. You can earn anywhere from 25 cents to over $3 per question, and the unique part is that they pay you instantly through PayPal with zero minimum withdrawal requirements. Most surveys are very short and can be completed in just a few minutes. I'd rate 1Q a 3 out of 10 for its potential to make money. Amazon Shopper Panel is Amazon's app that lets you earn rewards by sharing receipts from purchases made outside of Amazon.com, completing short surveys, and enabling ad sharing. You can earn $10 every month by uploading 10 eligible receipts, and even more if you take surveys and participate in ad sharing. It's a straightforward way to earn extra cash, and I'd rate it a 4 out of 10 for its money-making potential. Eureka is an app that offers short surveys with instant cash payouts. You can earn money by taking surveys, entering cash giveaways, and completing daily polls. On average, you can make anywhere from 15 cents to $6 per survey, with most surveys being short and quick. I'd rate Eureka a 4 out of 10 in terms of its money-making potential. Webull is an investing app that rewards you with free stocks valued up to $36,000 for creating an account and making a small deposit. It's a great way to start investing for your future, and it's a no-brainer to use the link in the video description to claim your free stocks. I'd rate Webull a 5 out of 10 for its potential to make money. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Mobi is a secret shopping app that allows you to earn rewards by providing feedback on businesses and restaurants you visit. You can earn between $5 and $10 for completing quick and easy missions, making it a simple way to earn extra cash. I'd rate Mobi a 5 out of 10 for its money-making potential. Global Adventures is an app that pays you up to $100 for recording videos of your city's scenery while walking, biking, or even using a drone. The better the quality of your videos, the more you can earn with payments based on the length and quality of your submissions. It's a unique way to make money, and I'd rate it a 5 out of 10. Hire Car allows you to rent out your car to rideshare drivers and gig workers, earning up to $720 per month. It's a platform that addresses the issue of not having a suitable car for gig work, and it provides a source of consistent passive income. I'd rate Hire Car a 6 out of 10 for its money-making potential. Misplay is an app for Android users that rewards you for playing games. You can earn points by trying out new games and redeem them for gift cards, prepaid Visa cards, and more. Similarly, Prices by Game is an iPhone alternative to Misplay that lets you earn real money by playing games. You can expect to earn $5 to $10 per day by having fun. I'd rate these apps a 6 out of 10 for their potential to make money. Mindswarm is a survey-style app that pays generously, with studies offering a minimum payout of $10 and some going as high as $50. You can record quick video responses to questions, and it's essential to provide professional and concise videos for approval. It's an excellent option for those looking to make substantial income. I'd rate Mindswarm a 7 out of 10. Piñata is an app that rewards you for confirming on-time rent payments, allowing you to earn Piñata cash that can be redeemed for gift cards and rewards. You can also save money on everyday expenses and build your credit by reporting your rent payments to credit agencies. It's a straightforward way to earn extra cash, and I'd rate it an 8 out of 10 for its money-making potential. Lastly, the Make Money app offers a range of tasks including surveys, opinions, service testing, and gaming. Most games provide specific instructions for earning points that can be redeemed for rewards like gift cards. Users have reported earning between $50 and $200 or more per month. It's a legitimate app that's worth trying out, and I'd rate it an 8 out of 10 for its money-making potential. These apps provide various ways to make money, so you can choose the ones that best suit your preferences and start earning extra cash using your smartphone. Enjoy exploring the opportunities! If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!